Hi friends, so I just wanted to give you all a 4 to 10 day update. We've officially been working on the car for 2 weeks today. We started July 19th and today is August 2nd. So what we've done so far, I decided I was gonna let you guys know what we've done and then show like a compilation video because body work is kind of boring. So I'm not gonna make you sit through all that. We started with removing the paint out of the engine bay. We used 1.5 containers of aircraft paint remover to do that. And then we cleaned up the engine bay. We rolled the car out, pressure washed the engine bay before Jeff welded in the Scott Rod panels. We actually did that yesterday. So he got these welded in, and it was a little tricky to get it test fitted compared to Colin's Cobra over here, since they are two different cars. It was all of our first time doing Scott Rod panels in a Fox body, so that was really interesting and fun. This week, we are just gonna focus on, doing the Bondo work and really sanding the car down, making it super smooth so Jeff can paint it a week or so from today, hopefully, fingers crossed. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy all of the videos I've compiled for you guys to see. As far as all the body work that we've been doing for the past week and a half, we still probably have another week or so of body work left before paint. I probably won't film the paint process, but you will definitely see the after. You can definitely see the before. So yeah, we still have, some work to do, some more paint removal back up in here as well. But as you know, we're gonna get it done. So yeah, stay tuned.
Pretty compact right here, so it's up to you on how much body work you guys want to do. Because the bending in it is going to be